All right, guys, I'm here with Brian Gundy from For Goodness Snakes. If you also want to tell a little bit about yourself.
Hi everyone. Yeah, I'm a ball python breeder. Been doing it pretty much about 30 years. Produce anywhere from 100 to 150 baby snakes per year, and I sell them to people like us all over the country. And yeah, it's just a great hobby. It's a great way to meet people and to network. And the reptile community is just amazing. It's just it's just. If you meet a person that's in the reptile community, you've pretty much met a friend.
Definitely. And so today what we're gonna do, I had my clutch of 9 ball pythons here, and he's gonna help me sex them today, and he's gonna teach me how to sex them. So this will be a tutorial video on top of that.
All right. So what is this again?
This is a Candino. So this is possibly a pastel Candino.
Okay.
Because my male proved that's a pastel, because you can see there's 2 pastels in there.
All right.
One that has a little shed on it and all that.
All right.
Yeah, so
here what we'll do is what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, because I'm right-handed, I'm going to put my right thumb at the ventral area of the snake, the cloaca, the pelvis of the snake. And then because the males actually have 2 sex organs, they're actually kept in the tail, I'm going to apply pressure to the tail and turn this thumb toward my right thumb to basically try to invert the hemipings. In this particular case, that's not happening. So process of elimination, that's a female.
female. So this was 5?
Yes.
5. Okay. Let me see. I'm trying to remember my head and my rack. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was the last one. Okay, so that's okay. I'm actually.
Make sure you don't forget.
We're gonna mark all this. So let's put this F for female.
And are these het for pied?
Possible het. It is pied because it was the albino pied.
Okay.
So yeah.
Because if you can see right here, just right off the top, I'm looking at what looks like railroad tracks.
Oh wow. So yeah, for sure. Then yeah.
So this is probably het for pied. And again, you're going to apply pressure to the ventral area with your right thumb, and then turn your left thumb toward your right thumb, and try to invert whatever is in the tail. And again, I'm not seeing anything.
Female again.
So this is a female.
That's a good sign, though.
Yeah, no, females are.
My brother. Well, I'm hoping to get to my brother is 3 or 1, and I want it to be a male for him because I want to keep any females. But if it's my brother, I'll give him a female too.
Oh, there you go. What a brother. And this looks sort of like the same thing. You can see the railroad tracks here going from the body to the tail.
Gotcha. So will the yellow bellies have similar tracks to that?
No, they'll have more of a checkerboard type of effect along the belly.
Gotcha.
The belly,
I still don't know ever how to identify
you
yellow
have to
belly.
see. You have to see them.
Okay.
Okay, so this one also is a female.
Wow.
Yeah.
So when you see the we'll wait until I see the male, but it would pop out clearly.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, when you see something that doesn't pop out, it's usually the musk gland.
You know, I'm really glad that the 2 normals are females, because the prices on normals are, males, I would say, they drop. So I was gonna keep these regardless. So I'm glad that these are female. And this is the one I went to shed and had a blown out shed because it was really dry where I'm at lately.
Yeah, just toes them down. Okay, I see a female again.
Female again.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is crazy.
And whenever your guys are popping females, it's always a good idea to pop them again and again and again.
So female. Okay, I think.
And you got nothing but females here, so far.
That's crazy. Apple's iMovie. So this is female again?
Yes.
Wow, so these are, let me see, 4.
Here we go.
Pastel male?
Maybe.
Oh, there, clearly that's a male.
And you can, if you really work it right, you can actually get it to come away.
Okay, and I'll try to put a picture on my channel of a clear male.
I don't know if you guys can see that. You might want to close up. Not now, but later.
Later, we'll do.
But there's the hemipene. So this is what I've been looking for, and I've been missing on all of these other.
They're really red and they really pop out clearly.
Exactly,
Yeah.
And so once we've done all these, what would be a good idea is for you to go back on the males.
Okay.
And re-pop them
Gotcha.
while I'm here,
Gotcha.
so I can teach you the pressure and things like that.
Gotcha.
Those are the little innuendos that really come down. And it's you don't want to necessarily practice on a female because there's nothing to practice on, because there's nothing visual.
Yeah.
But definitely, that's a pretty snake.
So is this, what number is that one? There's 3. So this is the one that if this is a male, this is going to my brother, and that is one of the nicer ones. It's the heavier one too.
Yeah.
Let's see what it is. Female.
Yep.
So I don't know. Maybe my brother might not get it, but depending on how many males to females, he's getting a Candino for sure.
Oh, there you go.
So if I have a lot of females, then he can get it. You know.
There you go. Brothers are for, right?
Yeah, I'll give him one of the nicer ones. I want him to, because my family will see it also.
Is he your younger brother? Or?
No, older. I'm the youngest. I'm the baby.
Oh, I am too.
Okay, see, that's why we like snakes.
It's hard to imagine a 70-year-old man being a baby.
You're 70?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
My dad's 71.
There you go.
Okay, now we got another male here.
And you can see that very long little protrusion, hemipene. There's one on each side.
This is female.
There we go. That's going to be able to pick it up.
Yeah, I think that'll be clear enough because they're pretty red out there.
Yeah.
Female. I want to make sure. I gotta repot that one. Male.
Yes.
So number 2. This is number 1, huh? This is the last one?
Yep. Yep.
Okay, so if this is another choice, because you saw these oranges,
Yeah.
I would want to give this one to him too, because look how nice that one is.
Yeah, as this one matures, that bordering is going to become more and more
So
pronounced.
this is why I want to give it to him, because his name's Bobby, my name's Benny. You see that B?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it kind of,
yeah,
either
it's
one
cool.
of us.
All right, ready? Drum roll.
I know.
Look at that.
There's a male. So that was my top pick in the beginning.
And that's a male and a half, man.
Wow. So I think that's the one he's gonna get. I think so. That's gonna be the one.
Cool.
Wow. Okay, so this.
Lucky brother.
Let's put the male. All right. Cool. So, wow, that one's really nice.
It is. So you want me to teach you how to do it?
Oh yeah. Let's
work on this one because
Okay.
it's
ready.
That will the hemipenes were huge. So
Yeah. Okay.
okay, and you're right-handed.
Yeah, I'm right-handed, but this is
Okay.
limited. So I don't
So-
know. What would you recommend to hold it with this one?
I'm not really sure. Let's just see how they go.
Okay.
Okay.
Definitely.
So you're going to hold it in your the body in your right hand, okay?
Okay.
And then I don't know if you can control your thumb pressure-wise, but you're going to want to bring that tail back a little bit, just a little bit, arch it back. It's not going to hurt the snake. And then apply pressure and consider this a grape, okay, or a raisin, and you don't want to break it.
You don't want to break it.
That's the amount
So
of pressure,
sensitive.
very slight pressure.
Okay.
Not a lot, but just enough. And as you're applying the pressure, turn this thumb and apply pressure from the thumb to the index finger. So you're applying pressure to the snake, and as you do that, this is what's going to happen.
Gotcha. Make it look so easy.
Yeah, well, believe
I'm at
me.
home. I tried myself, and I was like, I'm not gonna try no more.
No, I totally get it. And you got to remember, I've been doing this for years and years. But when I first started,
Yeah.
it was, I'll tell you. And I have missed sex snakes many times.
So what's your pressure to hold
Okay.
a steak when it's
So
struggling?
just don't hurt it. Just be gentle.
Right there.
Okay, right there. Okay. Now take this thumb and bring the tail back a little bit, and then apply pressure right there, and then turn. Wait. Let's bring this thumb back.
This one back.
Yeah.
It moved a little bit, huh?
Yep, just right there. Okay. And then apply pressure and roll. So you want to make sure that you're looking at the snake's belly and it's
Yeah.
not on the side like that. So, and you want to, if you can, hold on to it here because this is what's guiding. This is what's guiding it.
Okay.
And then put that thumb right there and just watch what happens. As I'm going to apply pressure, it's just going to it's just going to pop it right out. And if I apply pressure on this side, same thing's going to happen.
Wow. Yeah, he's gonna give me a few tries.
Oh yeah, it's going to take you maybe hundreds. It took me probably years.
Let me
to
try this
figure
way. This
yeah,
now.
that might work better. Right, okay, a little bit further down toward the nope, further down. There you go, right there. Now take this thumb and kind of bend it back, the tail, bend it back a little bit. Push out. There you go.
Woo! Man. Oh my gosh. I hope I got that. I got the idea though.
You got it. That's it. That's all you have to do. Just apply the pressure in the exact area that you need it, and this just takes your brain
A little bit of
to
pee or something.
Yeah, it's just musk and whatever.
Yeah. I don't want to do too much work.
But good job. That's it. You do it. Now you know how. Just keep thinking in your brain. You just want to push that hemipene out.
It's more because what I think my mistake was I was holding too far back at the base on the left. So I know that this has to hold the snake, and I know I gotta hold it more at that base. Can you pop a snake too much?
Possibly.
Okay.
Depending on
how many tries would you do? Let's say if I was gonna do it at home, or
I'd say 5. Think of it as a grape.
Right here.
And you're just trying to squeeze or toothpaste, whichever works for you. There you go.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Good job.
Look at.
Yeah. And then just do it again and again and again. There you go. And again and again and again. And that's how you learn.
Okay. I don't want to. Hopefully, I didn't squeeze
No,
it
you
too
didn't.
hard.
Yeah, you're fine. You're fine.
Yeah. Okay. We'll take a break.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna look at some animals.
So, wow, that was so amazing. Thank you for that. You have no idea. Like that really.
Believe me,
it's another achievement. It's like breeding these guys and having their, the eggs was achievement. All the whole process, and I think I might have called you throughout the whole process too.
I think you did actually. Yeah, it was great.
Yeah, wow, just that moment of sex in the snake is just like I don't know what.
It's like a hurdle. Or
it's something you got over. You know.
No, that's huge. That's huge.
It makes it so much easier now to have my own. Like when I start breeding more often and to sexing my own stuff, and rather than probing, it's better to.
Well, you don't want to probe babies. It's just
no way, yeah, because it would really mess them up. Like,
so let's do this. Let's put them back in here.
Yeah,
and then we'll go check.